Okay guys, you are welcome to Mr. Ken Explorer. Today I'm going to teach you how to use KineMaster very well. If you follow step by step I'm going to give you, you're going to understand everything, how to use KineMaster to achieve any video of your choice. Okay guys, so we're going to move to the laptop where I'm going to show you the steps. Meanwhile, you are going to use this KineMaster on mobile phone. Yes. Your mobile phones, you can use it to achieve any video of your choice. This is not laptop. Okay, so let's move over to our mobile phone to see the steps. We're going to learn the fundamental of KineMaster. KineMaster is a very nice app which you can use to edit your videos professionally. So at the end of this class, we are going to learn everything about KineMaster. It may not be everything, but you understand how to use KineMaster very well to achieve any video of your choice. Alright, so in case you don't have KineMaster in your phone, you go to Play Store. From Play Store, you type KineMaster. I will just have to type everything KineMaster. Okay, I search for it. Now KineMaster video editor. As for my own KineMaster Pro, exactly this is what I'm using. KineMaster Pro, KineMaster Professional. So as you can see, my own is already in the phone, so I just open it. So in case you don't have KineMaster in your phone, you go to Google Play Store and download one and then register. So I'm not going to teach you that process, but in case you don't know how to register, I will do another video for that. Okay, now we have downloaded our app and we have opened to KineMaster. The videos you are seeing here are the videos I've been working with for some days now, and that is that. While this side are the features of KineMaster, as you can see here. Now in this icon, you tap on it, it will take you to KineMaster stores. Because my data is not on, so you are not going to see anything, nothing will load. So we just move out of there. Now on this plus sign, I click on it. Plus sign will show you different screens you can use to edit your video. Now on this 16:9, 16:9 is the normal TV screen editor, while the 9:16 is, let's say you are using portrait camera to shoot, or maybe you are using your phone to shoot portrait video. You use 9:16 to edit your video. Let's say you use front camera. Front camera, you can use 1:1, but mostly 1:1 will give you a half screen after editing, a half screen like this after editing. So it's not advisable that you use 1:1. Neither is it more advisable to use 9:16. 9:16 is only when you are editing maybe picture, slideshow, or birthday video like that. But for professional editing, you use 16:9. This is what you use for professional video editing. So in this video, we are going to use this 16:9. As for now, we are going to come out of that. So we exit it. Okay, now in this icon, once you click on it, it will take you directly to YouTube. That means you want to see more videos done with KineMaster. then you can click on this icon. It will take you directly to YouTube, which is not necessary for this video. Now this crown icon, if you click on it, let's just tap it. You see you are a KineMaster premium user. Find details by tapping settings, my information. This shows that I am one of the users of KineMaster, a premium user. Premium user means someone that has already subscribed to their pro version, which gives leverage to every features in KineMaster. So we come out, we exit that, and then this icon, the settings icon, if you click on it, it will show you my information about KineMaster, device capability information, default duration of a photo clip. Now in this default duration, you can see 4.5 seconds. 4.5 seconds means if you insert any picture into your timeline, the picture will play for 4.5 seconds. 4.5 seconds before it will move to another picture. Default pan and zoom mode for a picture clip fit in. Once you insert any picture in your timeline, it will just fit in the full screen. As you can see here, it will fit in the full screen. Okay, now default duration of a layer 4.5 seconds, the same thing. Media browser full screen mode, audio browser full screen mode, sort projects list by date modified. That's if you want to sort the already made videos by project names or list or dates, you use that. Then recorded audio locations, this shows you device default folder, KineMaster folder, project specific folder. Now in case you want to record any video or you've recorded any video already with KineMaster, this one will show you everything. Or in case you want to be applying recorded videos, then we can use KineMaster folder, because any video you record with KineMaster, it will just go directly to KineMaster folder in your phone. Now photos location, do you want your photos to be on KineMaster folder? Yes. If possible, if yes, you choose this, or you choose any of this, anyone goes. I cancel that. Frame caption location, the same thing. Then we have advanced settings. Advanced settings is almost the same thing, so you don't touch anything here. Everything is on default and is already well organized. Okay, so we come out of there, we exit. We are done with settings, so we exit. Now you can see question mark. Now for question mark, as you can see, this is where you can find help from KineMaster itself, websites, email supports, their Facebook channel, their Instagram channel, and their Twitter channel. Okay, and that is that. As for this video, this is not necessary, but just have to show you in case you have any issues while editing, you need them to upgrade their app or whatsoever, you can reach them through this platform, help and support, which is the question mark icon. So we are done with that, so I will exit this now. Okay, then this other icon, you see the starlight, I click on it. Now the starlight shows you where you can save your very first video even before you start editing. Hey, my data was on. We don't need data for this video, for this editing, so I off my data, sorry for that. Okay, so let's say we want to actually start up a new editing. So I type let's say project 1. Okay, I click on okay. Now okay is taking me to this platform. Now in this platform, let's check backgrounds. We have backgrounds, we have favorites, we have cloud storage, and we have every other pictures and videos you are seeing here. All these ones appear in my gallery. So I click on backgrounds. Now on backgrounds, as you can see, we have black background and every other beautiful backgrounds given to us by KineMaster. So in case you don't have any background at all for your video, you can come here and select one. But for this video, I don't need any background, so I just go ahead and exit by coming back. All right, for favorites will just show you maybe your usual pictures and backgrounds you normally use for your videos. Then cloud storage is where you can add your account, maybe your Google account, whereby after creating your video, after editing your video, you can just save it directly to Google Drive. So this is not necessary for this video, so I just back. Okay, now let's edit. Let us edit video, maybe a birthday video. So I will just come back here and then I click on the plus sign. Sorry about that. I go back. Let's take the same step again. I click on the plus sign. Now I should have used this, but since we are going to be editing picture slideshow for maybe birthday, so we are going to use 9:16. As you can see, 9:16 will give you the normal portrait video. So I click on 9:16. It takes me to the same place again. Now we are going to select pictures we are going to use for our video. So I click on my folder here and we have pictures. Let's say we want to create birthday picture slide for this young man. I select picture 1, select 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. That's 8. Okay, we select this 9 and we select this 10. Okay, let's say we are going with these 10 pictures. So as you select the pictures, they will appear below. Then we are done with selection. We can now click on the check box here. We click on the check mark. It takes us directly to our timeline. Now this is our timeline. We just scroll to see how the pictures appear on timeline, and that is that. Okay, so we are done with this. Now in this window you can see media, you can see media, you can see audio, you can see voice, and you can see layer, and you can see store. That's a KineMaster store. And then you can see this icon. I will explain them one after another. And you can see this is to go back. Sorry, I have to go back. All right, so now if you click on this, it will take you back to the previous action. If you click on this, undo, it will take you back to the previous action. If you click on this, it's gonna zoom your screen. If you click on this, it's going to take you to settings. If you click on this, it will change your timeline frame. So we don't need it, we take it back to normal. All right, if you click on this, it will still take you back, so we don't need that. So this is it. Then Media, if you click on media, it means you want to add more pictures or video to your timeline. Layer means maybe you want to add things like picture to appear under your timeline. Like you need another picture to appear here, you now click on layer. Layer will give you media, will give you effects, will give you overlay, will give you text, and it will give you handwriting. All these we are going to use them in maybe in this video. Yes, we are going to use each of these in this video. Then sorry about that, I need to go back. All right, so for audio means you want to apply music to your video. Voice means you want to record a voice into this particular video we are editing. Okay, all right, so I will have to, let's play this video first and see the outcome. We play, so you watch it. Okay, that's fine, and that's 3. Okay, so as the video keep playing, is recording the seconds and all that. Then this is the total minutes the video is taking, the total minutes of the video you are about to edit. If you add any other picture or video to this timeline, the minutes is going to increase. So this is only 45 seconds video, reason being that it's just 10 pictures in this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, what we are going to look into, how we can apply music to this video. Okay, so I click on audio. Now audio takes me to the folders which I can find musics in my phone. Now you see music assets, you see SFX assets, you see recorded, you see songs, albums, artists, genres, you see folders. So in this video we are going to select songs. Now songs, let's just scroll and look for a suitable song or music for our video. For the purpose of this video, happy birthday, we may not really find happy birthday song, but we'll just look for a nice sound to use. Okay, I think this sound is manageable for this video. Okay, so after selecting sorry, I have to pause it so that you hear what I'm saying. So after selecting the music, you now click on the plus sign here. This plus sign, I click on it once and you add the music to my timeline. Then the next step, I click on the check icon, and we have the music on our timeline. This is it. So we are going to play this video and see the outcome of it. So we play the video. Okay, so I pause it. Now we've gotten a very nice music here. Now the next thing we are going to do, can we just add animations in between the pictures so that it will look more nice, it will look more attractive. So I click on this plus sign in between the picture, click on the plus sign. It takes us to transition effects. Now under transition effect, you see none. None means as it stands now, there is no transition at all. Travel and activities, if you click on that, you're going to see this. Okay, you can see that, but I don't think it's really fine, so we don't need that. If you click on text animations, you see, okay, you can see what's happening here. Okay, we don't need that. ABC, you see how it will happen, you see that, but we don't need that. Now if you click on sentimental, this is what they have for us. Okay, that is fine. I think I like this, so I will just click on it and then click on the check. That is done. Now let's preview the very first transition we have added. I play the video. Isn't that okay? I pause it. Isn't that beautiful? Fine. Okay, so we are going to add to this one too. Let's look for another transition. Presentation. Okay, presentation. Let's choose, I choose zoom. Okay, now that is that. As you can see what's happening is too fast. The transition here is too fast, so I will drag this back. Is appearing too fast, so I will take it to front. Okay, I think it's not too fast. This is too fast, so I take it to this level. Now this level is much better. So if I like this transition called zoom, I just choose it and then I reduce the timing. I reduce the timing from 1.5 to this level. Then I click on the check to accept the transition. I can just say let this one just be, then I apply another transition. So I click on classic. I see fade. Okay, that's it. That's that. I accept that. Then I can just say let this transition, maybe fun transition. I say let me take love for this. Okay, the love appeared to be very fast, so I reduce the timing. All right, that's beautiful. As you can see, it's beautiful. So I click the checkbox here. All right, so I skip this one. Let me apply to this one. So you keep on applying until you are satisfied. Let's say I need zoom. That's beautiful. So I check. I choose for this. Font. Under font, I said I want to go for this. That's beautiful. Then any font you add or any transition, you just look at the screen to see how it appears. If it suits your video, you just go ahead and accept it. So I click on the checkbox. Now let's apply to the last one, to the last picture. Classic transition. That's not fine. Or let's say pictures in pictures. Okay, this is beautiful. So we make it slow. Okay, that's fine. So we now click the check. Okay, so let's preview our video now. So I play. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now, this is what we are going to do. If you look at this picture, okay, let's play from here. Let's play from here and see how this particular picture is going to be introduced before we add something to it. So you play. Okay, as you can see, nothing is happening to this picture. It just introduced a picture and it remain still. So we are going to zoom out this picture so it will introduce the face very well, so that we can see the face of this person. So you select the picture, then you come here, you click here. Now you see start position, end position. Now where do you want to start zooming? I said here. Then you come to your screen, you zoom the picture out. You get that? You zoom the picture out to your perfect desire. Then you click the check box. Now let's preview the video from here. Play. Okay, did you see that now? Did you see the change? Now this one too is standing still. So let's apply something to that. You come to zoom, you select the picture first, then you come to zoom. I click on zoom. Now I need the end position to zoom very bold. That is it. All right. Okay, then I accept, check. Okay, so let's preview from here now. From here. Okay, so did you see that this picture zoomed out, but before it was standing still. So you can see. Alright. So you could see the picture zoomed out. So you can apply that to all other pictures. In order not to waste our time, we are not going to do for all. Okay, let's apply to this. So I select the picture, I come to zoom, then I come to end and zoom it out. That is it. I accept, check. Let's do that to this one. You select the picture, go to zoom. I zoom to this start. This is the guy that is doing the birthday. So I zoom his face very out or very bold. Okay, and I do the same thing for end. Alright, I accept, check. Okay, now for the end picture, the last picture, I do likewise. Zoom, then I do this. Alright, click on check. Okay, let's preview our video. Let's preview from here. So you can see the last video zoomed out. Okay, let's zoom this one too. Zoom. We do end. And we zoom this out. That's it. And you click on check. All right, so we are done with that. Now, what else do we need to apply? We need to apply text. Let's say we want to type the name of the guy and then wish him happy birthday. So we are going to come to layer. From layer, we click on text. Now on text, we type happy birthday. Then you click on OK. Then we want this happy birthday to. Okay guys, for the purpose of lengthy, let's continue this study in the next video. It will carry the same title, but you see two. That's the continuation. Thanks guys for understanding. Just click below to see the next video. That's the continuation of this video. Thanks guys.